चलो विश्व योग दिवस मनाएं, पूरे विश्व को स्वस्थ होने का मंत्र बताएं. My heartiest namaskar to everyone watching this video. The year 2020 is going to be a very historic year for the epidemic disease spread all over the world. In this crucial period, we from Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Rowing, with full of bright outlook, is here to support every one of you to celebrate 21st of June 2020, recognized as International Day of Yoga, with your family at your home. Firstly, let me introduce each one of you to our finest school, that is Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Rowing. Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Rowing was started in 1977, is one of the first 7 VKVs started in Arunachal Pradesh in that year. It is a co-educational school and is up to higher secondary level with a science stream. The persona of Swami Vivekananda and Mananya Eknath Ji, the founder of Vivekananda Kendra, are the heart of the institution. Vivekananda Kendra's core values of selfless service, patriotism, character building, man-making, and nation-building permeate the entire educational experience. We believe that every human being is empowered to develop her or his best potential. We see empowerment as the differentiating feature of all our educational effort and are convinced that it takes best in a school which is a dynamic entity involved in discerning the needs of our times and flexible enough to readjust its structures and activities to respond to them. We recognize that it requires an atmosphere where all the values of self-service, man-making, and nation-building are lived out by all and where striving of excellence at the level of one's potential is an essential, except that this demands a certain level of awareness at administrative and staff levels so that it becomes a continuous process, effective staff, student, and parents, and taking precedence over all other motivation. We recognize and strongly affirm that the special trust of our institution becomes credible in India today, where service before self is lived out both in attitude and structures. We patriotize the practice of important human values and encourage students to gain confidence so that they grow as a responsible citizens of the country. We in Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalayas aim to give all-round development, that is physical, mental, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual development to the students through various activities so that the hidden talents are developed to the fullest. The management, staff, alumni, and parents share a collective vision and mutual purpose in education so that the students may fruitfully contribute to the wider society and address the realities and concerns of our country and of the world. Without taking much of your time today in this International Day of Yoga, let us get ready to prepare our body, mind, and soul to get united. Be calm in your heart. Let your body and mind be stable and feel the peace around you. You cannot always control what goes on outside, but you can always control what goes on inside by making yoga as your lifestyle. Now we will do yoga abhyas. Your yoga instructor will be Srimati Amuda Krishnan. Let's start with 3 Omkaras.
Sit erect. Your neck and spine should be erect. Namaskar Mudra. 3 Omkar. And then prayer. Om. सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शांति 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 Yoga Mudra, tie your hands behind, exhale, bend forward, inhale, slowly come up, release your hands, palming, rub your palms, place it around your eye muscles, feel the warmth around your eye muscles, slowly open your eyes with 2-3 blinkings.
Firstly, we will do Shithalikaran Abhyas, known as loosening exercise. Before doing any exercise or asana, you need to get warm up by doing loosening exercises to prevent injuries. It improves blood flow to your muscles.
First of all, we are going to see ankle stretch. Simultaneously, with inhalation, we want to raise our heels and hands together. Inhale, exhale. 5 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Loosen your entire body. Relax. And now for your knees, bring your hands horizontally. Exhale, sit, inhale, up. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Come up, relax. Feel the changes. Observe the stretches. And now for the thigh stretch. Heels together, toes little apart. Exhale, sit, stretch your thighs as much as you can. Inhale, come up. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale, come up, relax. Feel the stretches. आपके थाई मसल्स में जो खिंचाव हो रहा है उस पर ध्यान दीजिए. And now forward backward bending for our waist and lumbar region. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, come up, relax. Relax. Observe the stretches. आपके वेस्ट लाइन पे जो स्ट्रेच हुआ है, आपके लंबार एरिया में जो स्ट्रेच हुआ है उस पर ध्यान दीजिए. लंबी सांस लीजिए. छोड़ते वक्त एक ओंकार की उच्चारण करेंगे. Feel the vibration of ओंकार. Slowly open your eyes. Now we are going to do shoulder rotation. Make a fist in both your hands. Clockwise, anti-clockwise 5 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Relax. Feel the stretches. Observe the changes in your body. Relax. Slowly open your eyes. Now, neck movement करेंगे. Tie your hands behind. First up, down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Now, twisting. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Relax. While doing neck movement, you should do it carefully. Relax. पूरे शरीर को आराम दीजिए. आपके श्वास के श्वास पर ध्यान दीजिए. Concentrate on your breathing. Inhale slowly. Exhale very slowly. After loosening exercises, feel the stretches, feel the changes. आपके शरीर पे कहाँ कहाँ खिंचाव तनाव हो रहा है, इस पर ध्यान दीजिए. Relax. Inhale, while exhaling, chant Omkar. Feel the vibration of Omkar. Relax your entire body with the help of Omkar vibration. Slowly open your eyes. With a pause.
Now, firstly, we will be doing yogasanas in standing posture. So, first asana is Tadasana. Benefits: one of the best yoga poses to increase height. The precautions to be taken are: do not practice it if you are suffering from insomnia.
Sthiti. Ekam. Slowly raise your hands sideways with inhalation. Interlock your fingers. Your palm should be facing upward. Ekam. Dve. Inhale. Slowly raise your heels. Trini. Exhale. Chatwari. Release your hands and relax.
Second asana is Padahasta Asana, forward bending posture. Benefits: it eliminates stress, anxiety by energizing the body. Precautions to be taken: people suffering from severe back pain, high blood pressure, heart problems, knee problem should not practice this asana.
Ekam. With inhalation, slowly raise your hands sideways up to your shoulder level. Dve. Inhale. Bring your hands vertical to the ground. Trini. Exhale. Bend parallel to the ground. Chatwari. Exhale. Bend further. This is the final posture of Parahastasana. Pancha. Inhale. Slowly come up to the parallel to the ground. Shata. Inhale. Come up further. Sapta. Exhale. Bring your hands shoulder to the level. Ashta. Exhale. Bring further. Relax.
Now third asana is Ardha Chakra Asana, half whale posture. Benefits: effective to reduce stomach and thighs fat. Precaution: patient of serious spine and hips problem should not practice this asana.
Sthiti. Ekam. Take your hands. Your finger should be facing outward. You can keep your hands like this and your hip are to back, whichever is comfortable for you. Dve. Inhale. Slowly bend from your lumbar. Trini. Exhale. Slowly come up. Chatwari. Release your hands and relax.
Fourth asana is Trikona Asana, triangle posture. Benefits: it strengthens the knees, ankles, leg, chest and arms. Precautions to be taken: don't overstretch the body while practicing this asana as it may cause unnecessary pain or injury.
Sthiti. Ekam. Take your right leg apart from your left. Raise your hands up to your shoulder level. Ekam. Dve. Slowly bend towards your right side. नजर आपके हाथ की लेफ्ट हैंड की पाम पे रहेगा. Trini. Inhale, come up. Chatwari. Relax. This is the complementary asana. Do it same by the left side. Ekam. Dve. Trini.